Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I have another book for us today. It is called The Sound of Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is another holiday that's celebrated around Christmas time. Usually, I think it's the end of December, and it goes into the new year. And this story, The Sound of Kwanzaa, is written by Dimitrea Tokunbo and illustrated by Lisa Cohen. Now, if you remember when we learned about Hanukkah, we learned about a menorah. Well, for Kwanzaa, and with people that celebrate Kwanzaa, they also have lights and candles on their dash or their countertop or windowsill, and this is called a kinara. Can you say that word? Kinara. At least I think I'm saying it right. Maybe it's kinara. And we're going to learn all about it today. And I'm going to learn something new too, because I don't know much about Kwanzaa. I just know the name. Here's our story. The Sound of Kwanzaa. What is this family doing on this page? What are they doing? It looks like they're eating a meal together. Maybe it's dinner. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Loving words and greeting family, we stand together for Amoha. Amoha, or Umoha, means unity. One black candle gently shines to welcome our first Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Working hands and ancient stories, we learn about our traditions for, bear with me, Kujichagulia. Oh boy. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Kujichagulia or Kujikadulia means self-determination. One red candle gently flickers to honor our second Kwanzaa night. If you celebrate Kwanzaa and I was saying these words wrong, please forgive me. I'm just trying to read the book. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Banging hammers and sweeping brooms, we share the chores for Ujima. Ujima means collective work and responsibility. One green candle gently shimmers to lighten our third Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Laughing shoppers and chanting merchants, we support our neighborhoods for Ujama. Ujama means cooperative economics. Ooh. So that is talking about money and going to stores and buying things. That's what economics means. Another red candle gently twinkles to brighten our fourth Kwanzaa night. If this is number 4, what comes next? The fifth night of Kwanzaa, number 5. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa, sharing dreams and setting goals. We plan our future for Nia. Nia means purpose. Another green candle gently glows to illuminate our 5th Kwanzaa night. I like that one. Come close. Sorry, I bumped my mic. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Beating drums and singing voices, we perform for Kumba. Kumba means creativity. Another red candle gently burns to warm our 6th Kwanzaa night. Number 6. What comes after 6? 7. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Thankful prayers and loud harambes, we celebrate our lives for Imani. Imani means faith. The last green candle gently sparkles to bless our 7th Kwanzaa night. Say it with me. Harambe, harambe, harambe. And that is the end. Ooh, and we have a pronunciation page. So let me review. The first night is Umoja, which is unity. The second night was Kujichagulia. I was kind of close. Kujichagulia. Third night is Ujima. Fourth night is Ujamaa. Okay, Ujamaa. Fifth night is Nia. Sixth night is Kuumba. Seventh night is Imani. And I hope I said Harambe right. All right. Ooh, and there's even a recipe in the back for no-cook Kwanzaa brownie bites, which sounds delicious. So maybe I can take a picture of this and post it on the website for you guys if you want to make it at home. I think I will. All right, friends, thanks for joining me today. I loved this story. I learned a lot, and I hope that you did too. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.